Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am starting the day off eating lunch in the nighttime. We have just left Costa Maya, and we're going to eat some dinner here at the pizza and burger place. So come along with me. Pizza was definitely good, very yummy. I ate here almost every night, no lie. All right, guys, so I came out here to take some pictures really fast. This is the pool deck at night. It's real pretty, though. I took some pictures against the ocean just so that I could get some good ones. But now I'm going to head to this comedy show. Hopefully, I think it's already started, but I'm going to head to it and see if if I can still catch a little bit of it. So that's where I'm going to go right now. All right, guys. So I just saw the comedy show, and it was actually pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't have high hopes for it. I didn't have high hopes for it, but it was actually pretty funny. And it was a guy and a woman, and they both were really good. So props to MSC with the comedy. But it was a PG show, but it was still very funny. So hopefully they have another show that I can see that's rated R or for the adult only show, so I can see them in that light. But this show was pretty good. And they do have the Whitney and Aretha tribute show tonight in the Panoramic Lounge that I could not get a reservation for, and I'm kind of mad about that, but it's okay. I'm going to try and see something else. I don't think there's anything else tonight, but hopefully tomorrow I can see another show that's in the Panoramic Lounge. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. It's pretty packed in here. Shows are letting out. People are going to dinner. But yeah, this is MSC here in the, I don't want to say it's the promenade. It's something else. But yeah, it's nice. I don't know what I'm going to get into. I do want to find the photo booth because I want to not purchase pictures, but I did take some pictures, and I do want to see them, but I don't know exactly where they are. I have to find where the photo area is and then go from there. Okay, guys, so I'm here where the arcade is on deck 19, and there's the Formula Racer that is also over here, the Formula F1 simulator that I get to try out. So I am a little bit excited. I think it's in here. I do. I think it's in here. I have to find out where, but I thought it was over in this area. Yeah, it is actually. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so this is it right here. Let me show you. Whoa. How cool is that? Wow. That is crazy. I'm going to be in that probably tomorrow. That's cool. Wow. Now, it is a charge. I don't know exactly how much it is. But I'm going to get that information for you. See how much it costs. But I do get it free because I am gold. My status is gold. So I do get one free race. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, I'm going to check out what the prices are. Get back with you guys on that. Okay, so I found out the pricing is $12 per person if you wanted to do that Formula One racing simulator. And so yeah, but I am excited about doing it for free, and I'll probably do it tomorrow. So I will take you guys along for that ride. Literally that ride. So I think I'm gonna go and grab a drink. I haven't had a drink all day, even in Costa Maya. I did not get a drink, so I gotta get me a drink. I'm gonna go to one of the bars, the sports bars down out there by the Lanai in the World Promenade, but it's right by the Lanai. I'm gonna grab a drink at the sports bar and then head back to the World Promenade because they do have that show, which is the Love and Marriage show that's coming on at 9:30. So I have about 35 minutes before that show starts. So I'm going to grab my drink and then bring it all the way back to the World Theater to watch the Love and Marriage show, which is always are good shows. They're always entertaining. They have three couples and they make them do crazy things or ask crazy questions, and it's always entertaining. So I love a good Love and Marriage show. So I'm here at the bar, and it was super crowded just a minute ago, but I am here and I'm getting my drink. I'm getting a Long Island for my first drink of tonight. Thank you. All right, and it has arrived. I got a Long Island. So let's get this party started.
To the Love and Marriage game show. If you're in love, make some noise. Oh, that was hard for some of you. That was really, really difficult. No, in all seriousness, if you are in love, I want you to lean over, give your partner a kiss on the cheek. Oh, not that cheek, sir. Not that cheek. Oh, gosh. All right. This is the perfect time to remind all of you that this game show is in fact rated PG-13, okay? And I'm looking out in the audience, and yeah, that's not going to be a problem tonight, so we don't have to worry about that. But tonight, I will be interviewing 3 different couples from all stages of marriage. We've got our newlyweds.
All right, guys, so I just got out of the Love and Marriage show, and it was funny. It was so cute. I wish I would have videotaped more, but I didn't. I was too busy into the show, but the 3 couples were very, very funny, and yeah, it was cute. I love the Love and Marriage shows on all cruise lines, so it's definitely a must-see if you're on MSC. Hey everyone, so I am back in my room, and I'm literally gonna call it a night because your girl is tired. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. I'm tired. I'm gonna actually go and pick up my daughter Chloe. Go pick her up from the kids club, which is called, I think it's called Do Re Mi, from Do Re Mi Land. That's the little sun, the symbol of MSC. I'm pretty sure of it. Yeah, the little sun. It's called, I think it's Do Re Mi Land. So I'm gonna pick her up from the kids club, and then we're gonna go right back here hit the hay because tomorrow is Cozumel, Mexico. So I'm going to be up and early for that. I don't have anything planned for Cozumel. And no, like no excursions. I don't have any excursions for Cozumel at the moment. So we'll see what we get into, right? Um, yeah, and I might just, like I said, walk around a little bit because it's hot. Mexico is hot. It's May and it's hot outside. So I'm not going to stay out there too long. But because I've been to all these ports before, so it is what it is. But I really want to come back on the ship and do some of the, like jaw drop, all the fun things, water slides, cliffhanger. Cliffhanger, by the way, is $10 if you didn't know. If you wanted to do cliffhanger, it is $10 to ride the cliffhanger. And you do have to sign a consent form up on that deck before you do any of the attractions up on the deck where all the attractions are. So you do have to sign a waiver. But yeah, I'm either going to do those attractions. I'm going to try to do them either early or maybe like noonish when I get back on the ship from Cozumel. So we'll see. I hope I can get it done because I really want to do jaw drop. I really want to do cliffhanger. I want to do the ropes course. It looks so fun. I want to get a water slide in or two. I mean, come on, I got to try that. And I definitely want to do the Formula One. So the Formula One racing simulator thing. So I want to try that as well. So I'm going to try and get done a lot of things done tomorrow. So I got to get my sleep tonight. All right. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.